Hey everyone, Alex here from House Mustang Garage. Just kind of want to show you a quick tip on how to manually prime your oil system if your car's been sitting for a while or you winterize it and don't want to just fire it right up. This is a quick and easy way to get the oil to the top of the engine. So today we're working on a 65 Mustang 6-cylinder, and pretty simple. All you got to do is pull the distributor out, and the 6-cylinder cars have a 5/16 socket. You put it on the extension and put it on the drill, and you go right on the oil pump shaft. This engine naturally turns clockwise, so when you turn this, it's going to simulate the engine running, and you're turning the oil pump. And we have a gauge over here that's on the oil pressure port, so you can actually see the oil pressure going through. In this case, this is a freshly rebuilt engine, and we want to get oil to all parts of the engine before we fire it up for the first time and verify that everything is good and correct. So, anyway, quick tip. Cars have been sitting for a long time, freshly rebuilt engines, cars that have been in storage for the winter. Manually prime that oil before you fire it up.